This is what happens when you use Hasport 88, I think, A durometer mounts. I think they have one higher, it's like 90 before it goes solid billet. But yeah, I would never want to go billet because it's already shaky. Yeah, it's shifter is not shaking as much. This is the IRP shifter, and it's absolutely solid and super short. Not height, but shifting wise. And then the mirror, I got this from Zoom Engineering. It's not too vibratey. And then the interior, no more vibrations. You might be curious how I got rid of the vibrations. Just silicone some of the noisy mating surfaces, like where two metal pieces go together, the OEM stuff that's stamped steel. I just add a little silicone, and then I added tape right here on all the doors so air doesn't get in with dust. That's pretty much it. If I let go right now, it might rattle a little bit, but not as much as it used to. And that rattle you're hearing is actually the key. The key actually rattles. Yeah, and it... That's so annoying. I love it.